Some of the best Maori language revitalisation experts in the country were at Muriwai Marae recently to help nurture and grow te reo Maori in communities. They were involved in a language planning wananga called Kura Whakarauora, which promotes Maori language planning as a key step to revitalise and regenerate te reo Maori within whanau, hapu, iwi and hapori communities. Former TVNZ broadcaster and Maori Party candidate Shane Taurima of Rongomaiwahine and Ngati Kahungunu whakapapa is the facilitator of the nationwide program.
Because it's actually in communities like these that our reo will survive, that our reo will get stronger and our reo will flourish. When we actually have communities that are using te reo Māori on a daily basis in their everyday lives. And so it's, I suppose, us acknowledging that fact and trying to provide some support, I suppose, to Muriwai, but other communities like Muriwai, where there's that passion there for the language and the commitment to actually want to ensure that it exists and it survives going forward.
As part of the program, there are interactive workshops where whanau work directly with language planning experts in language revitalisation. One of the Muriwai Ngaita Manuhiri whanau who attended was James Ferris.
I just want to come here to strengthen our reo, my reo, and also to find strategies and things to help me at my kohanga so we can never lose our language. To also help at home, in the home, talking to my kids and talking to my whānau. Also wanted to help all the things we do in our houses and